Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about more word structures that are morpheme, morph, allomorph, and xeromorph. So let's discuss them one by one. As I have told you in my previous video that morpheme is the smallest meaningful unit, and it cannot be further break down, and it is a meaningful unit. For example, if I take the word unbeatable, there are three morphemes: un, beat, and able. Un and able are bound morphemes, whereas beat is a free morpheme. Same is the case for books, that book is free morpheme, and s, that is plural marker, is bound morpheme. Now you cannot break the word book into more meaningful units, and hence it is the free morpheme and it is the single morpheme book. Then comes morph. Morph is actually, a lot of students just get, confused between morph and morpheme. So let me tell you that morph is actually the phonetic representation of a morpheme. When I say phonetic representation, it means that how a morpheme is said. For example, in the word cats, S is the morpheme and it is pronounced as s sound, and cat is pronounced as cat as it is. So this is the difference between morph and morpheme. Morph is the smallest meaningful unit, whereas morpheme is the smallest meaningful unit, whereas morph is the phonetic representation of that morpheme. Then comes allomorph. So allomorph is actually when we have a morpheme and it gives you different phonetic representation, those different phonetic representations are called allomorph. For example, when I say plural morpheme s, you can use it, you can use it as different allomorphs into three different allomorphs. For example, okay, I have made a mistake in this. Let me go back. Where's my pen? Here is it. So it's not in judges. First, if I say s, the morpheme s, you can pronounce it as s. For example, if I write cats, the transcription for this would be like, so it will be pronounced as s. Then comes dogs. Now you can see that the same morpheme s is now pronounced as z, and in boxes this es is now pronounced as is. So what is going on, that the same morpheme is now represented through different phonetic forms. So these three are allomorphs of single morpheme s. Then comes past form. If I talk about ed, it is a morpheme for past form, to represent past form. It also has three different phonetic representations. For example, if I say the word called, now it is now pronounced as d. Ed is pronounced as d. In fished, I will not now pronounce it as fished. It would rather be pronounced as t sound. So in buzzed, now this ed will be pronounced as id. So these three are different allomorphs of single past form morpheme ed. Then comes xeromorph. Xeromorph is actually the variation of allomorph. Xeromorph. What happens that when a morpheme changes its status from one type to another, and it changes its status without any addition or without any subtraction to its part. For example, if I say the word sheep, now what happens, that this is the singular word. If I would pronounce or say the plural word for sheep, it would again be like sheep. You cannot add s sound, z sound, or is into it to make it plural. There will be no change. Then comes lawyer. Same is the case for this one, that you will change from singular to plural without any addition or subtraction of any of the part of the word. So that's all from today's video. If you have any question regarding to the topic, you can mention it in comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to press the bell icon.